Starting around 02 August 2023, Bitcoin money truly is exchanging at $234.56 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. BCH most certainly has an all-out market cap of $4,565,755,056, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $267,907,390 in an unobtrusive manner. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, especially positioning at 16 in the digital currency market, in a really significant manner. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Is Bitcoin money a for the most part wise venture, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? In every way that really matters, significant way. Will BCH cost generally outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in an all things considered, significant way? These by and large are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost in every practical sense is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a genuinely normal value level of $289.37, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to be $279.67 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, BCH can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $307.30 in a huge manner. Bitcoin money value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $261.93, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in August 2023 really is $230.40, with an in every practical sense normal cost of $254.66, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin money value expectation September 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money especially is generally anticipated to basically reach it in every practical sense least worth of $252.72 in September 2023. The BCH cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $274.66, with the really normal exchanging worth of $264.84, all through 2023. Bitcoin money, BCH value gauge October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for October 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a sort of least worth of $263.09, while the all things considered most extreme determined cost fundamentally is around $285.26 in a genuinely significant manner. The truly normal cost for BCH truly is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $272.79 in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money, BCH value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money is generally anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of $278.24, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $296.17 and a genuinely least of $266.12. Truly further appearance how sort of is Bitcoin money in every way that really matters. Wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money explicitly is supposed to explicitly be at around an essentially least of $279.67, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $307.30. With the genuinely normal cost of $289.37 in USD. Bitcoin money past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been diminished by 2.71% in its truly current worth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Assuming that we essentially look at the truly current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, exhibiting that Bitcoin money, BCH value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, The cost of Bitcoin money generally is especially anticipated to truly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $278.24, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $296.17 and a fundamentally least of $266.12. Especially further appearance how generally is Bitcoin money an excellent venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money generally is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. Extremely further appearance how Bitcoin money sort of is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The BCH truly is down to nearly 1.72% over the most recent 7 days, or so they essentially thought. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could for the most part have major areas of strength for essentially in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource and kind of transient in an unpretentious manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the very current cost and sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it fundamentally is seen that Bitcoin money generally has expanded 42.603% in its worth in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal pretty least cost for the month basically is $130.31, while extremely greatest genuinely normal cost generally was $134.63, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. This suggests that this coin most certainly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for commonly long haul in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 43.81%, and the cost commonly coursed from an all things considered, least truly normal cost of $125.38 to fundamentally most extreme normal cost of $134.83 in the specific beyond 90 days, showing how assuming that we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, exhibiting that Bitcoin money, BCH value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money sort of is truly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a truly normal cost of $278.24, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $296.17 and an especially least of $266.12. Sort of additional appearance how truly is Bitcoin money a wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner. In essentially most recent 4 months Bitcoin money by and large has shown a developing pattern, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Consequently, we in a real sense believe that comparative pieces of the market